The contemporary digital landscape offers a myriad of opportunities for generating income online. This expose elucidates 7 noteworthy methods through which individuals can capitalize on their skills and resources to enhance their financial standing via the internet. Firstly, freelancing emerges as a primary avenue, furnishing individuals with the ability to leverage their specialized skills on platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. This mode of employment enables professionals in varied disciplines, ranging from writing and graphic design to programming and marketing, to receive monetary compensation commensurate with their expertise. Affiliate marketing constitutes the second method, wherein individuals promote products or services via affiliate links on mediums such as blogs, social media, or YouTube channels. Commissions are earned when consumers opt to purchase through these links, with prominent affiliate networks including Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Thirdly, the creation and sale of online courses present a significant opportunity for individuals to disseminate their knowledge on platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. This approach can yield passive income, contingent upon sustained consumer interest in the subject matter. Establishing a blog or YouTube channel is the fourth recommended strategy. Through these platforms, content creators can monetize their output via advertisements, sponsored posts, or the sale of digital goods. Despite the protracted timeline required to build a substantial following, successful bloggers and YouTubers benefit from diverse revenue streams, including ad revenue and corporate partnerships. Dropshipping and e-commerce form the fifth method. Individuals can inaugurate online stores via platforms such as Shopify, Amazon, or eBay. Particularly with dropshipping, entrepreneurs need not manage physical inventory, as products are shipped directly from third-party suppliers. The sixth method involves the sale of stock photography and videos. Creatives can market their visual media on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. This technique provides an excellent passive income opportunity for those adept in photography or videography. Lastly, engaging in remote work or virtual assistance is a viable method for generating online income. A multitude of businesses hire remote employees for functions including customer service, administrative support, and social media management. With websites such as remote.co or virtual assistant jobs serving as repositories for such employment listings. With dedicated effort and strategic application, these methodologies can pave the way for sustainable online revenue generation.